Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I wanted to do just a very quick video to show you the type of comments that Ms. Borders and I would like you to focus on for the reflection activity. So what you see is a paper that has been graded. So the first thing I would encourage you to do would be to close out these menus on the side. And now you're going to be able to see the paper better. So any place, sometimes there may be a highlight. You can click on the yellow highlight and the comment will be revealed there. Sometimes there will just be things that I have written on here, and then sometimes if you click on the little blue flags, you will see my questions or my feedback or something like that. So these are the items that we would like you to use when you're responding to the feedback. So you would, for example, maybe I want to respond to this particular item. So I'm going to take my screenshot of this image with this feedback, and then that's what I'm going to attach when I send in the answers to my questions in the reflection. So super short videos, super quick. I did post 2 videos in the announcements about how to get to this paper, to your papers through my grades. So if you don't know how to get to these particular comments, those videos are from Blackboard Learn, and they are available for you. So shoot me an email if you have any questions, and good luck.